welcome back to Tae's World. Don't forget to subscribe. Just hit that button, hit that subscribe button, go ahead. And make sure while you're down there, you hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. I'm going to show you how to lay a closure today. Okay, so right now I'm just making a part where I want my part to be. I tried a middle part, but I don't like it, so it's a little bit to the side. I like the way that came out, or the way that looked best. As you can see, the closures, like the part is very like narrow. It's very dense at the root. So what we're gonna have to do is go ahead and pluck it. Yeah, so you can just pluck it to your liking. If you make the mistake of over plucking it, you just have to move your part over a little bit just to hide the lace that you overexposed, basically. Okay, so now I'm taking off the lace. I left some of it on just so it's easier to like glue down. If you cut too much lace off, it's gonna be hard to tack down with your glue or your adhesive tape, whatever you're using to keep it in one place. I'm just sectioning off where I want my baby hairs. I'm just going to tweeze it a bit at first to thin it out. You don't want your baby hairs to be too thick. I'm just going to trim them. Still plucking away at the hairline. Just because no one's baby hairs are like super thick. It'll look really funny if you do that. Yes, that's a box cutter. I could not find my eyebrow razor, so I had to use what I had to use. This unit I made doesn't have any combs in it, so if you don't want it like slipping back, if the wig you make don't have combs, just put some got to be glued gel along with the freeze spray, let it get tacky, and it'll hold your wig in place. I've yet to try like bold hold, I think it's called, like the wig glue or wig tape, but and then I just put foundation at the bottom. I'm gonna do another video. I didn't bleach the knots. This was just a quick showing of the application process, but there's more videos on this unit coming soon. This was kind of hard because I'm used to working with frontals and stuff, but I haven't worked with a closure in a while. I made the unit myself. I do need to work on like the construction of my wigs, but I think it came out looking pretty good. Alright, so I'm just taking my flat iron just so the closure could lay flatter. It just gives it more of a sleek look if you flat iron it. Make sure the closure itself is flat because it's kind of like not bump, but it's not like flat.